One day Mother Teresa was interviewed by the journalist, and the journalist praised her for the success of her work. And he asked her, how do you rate the success of her work? Mother Teresa paused for a while and then told the journalist, the Bible doesn't talk about success or failures. It talks about fidelity. The first reading of today, we speak about fidelity, obedience. The prophet Isaiah tells people in Babylon, if you are faithful to God's commandments, the covenant you made, then your life will be like a river, just flowing smoothly. You would have peace of mind and heart, and you'll be able really to enjoy life. And your descendants will be like the descendants of the stars. But unfortunately, the Israelites did not keep the commandment, and that was the fate that they were in Babylon. The gospel passage also, in a way, hints about fidelity. It speaks about John the Baptist. It tells the leader, had you listened to John the Baptist, you would have been a different person now. But now you're old and grumbling and grumbling and grumbling, calling John the Baptist and Jesus names. What message do we get from today's readings? First of all, of fidelity. All of us have made a commitment. The wives, the husbands, the families, the workplace. It's time to reflect and see how much do I keep this commandment, to keep this commitment. And you realize that the more I commit, the more I'm faithful, the more happier do I become in my life. So we ask the Lord to give us His grace, that we review now and then our commitment, fidelity to the other, and ask God's blessings on it.